Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I see you come in there. Hey, I didn't see me seeing you there either. Hi there. How's it going out there, dude? Hey, YouTube. How's it going? We live on YouTube and Twitch, allegedly speaking. lonniedos on both. If you're watching this in the future, I'm gonna kiss you on the mouth if you're watching this in the future. I swear to God. It looks freaking weird. This is why I need a hat on at all times. How goes? Happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday, my boys. Apparently it's construction day, beep beep, back 'em up day. There's no way you guys can hear that, but I can. And God, is it rubbing me the wrong way. How's the new hype house? Oh, I'm gonna show you, dude. It's pretty hype, I can't lie. Hope you guys are doing well. Phantom Cat, Doom Nerd, welcome back. Non-organic, Harry Potter is live? It's me, the boy who's live. Harry Potter should stream, that's a good catchphrase. All right, dude, I freaking figured out how to show you guys my apartment. Are you ready for the in-depth look? Check, first things first. I'm the realist. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, can you smash that MF like button? Appreciate you, bud. I won't smash you back. That's what I can do. That's what You're being weird. Skips legs day? It's just, listen, I skip every workout day. If the legs are different, that's just coincidence. Working on Beyond videos sounds lit. You should put shoes on. Oh, I put shoes on, I did. Couldn't have you looking at my toes during this in-depth review. Anyhow, had to switch my setup up real quick. You versus the guy she tells you to work. You versus the guy she tells you. Just for context, guys, see how long this is? It's approximately like yay long. You versus the guy she tells you not to HDMI about. Look how long this mother fricker is. Bro, I can go anywhere. I'm free. Tiny little moist critical leg guy. Your words cut like a knife, man. But it's fine. I will show you an alternate angle of these legs so you can get a better idea of the tone. The camera sheds 10 pounds. All right. You can't see what I'm seeing, but you will. Unless it didn't work. One moment. Dang it, dude. I don't think those were my exact words. Is it back? You want to see my toes? You better hope this works then. Phew! Oh yeah, look at that. Look at my pile of stuff just out of frame. All right. Probably not going to be able to hear me if I leave the room. But who the fuck would want to? Anyway, here's where the magic happens, baby. You can see what I'm seeing. Yeah, don't even worry about it. I got 50 more feet of this. That's my bed that looks really far away, but it's not that far away. And the mannequin's really far away, which I might have to fix that. It's not for sex. Doesn't even make sense. I don't know why people get that impression. It's for clothes. People, it's for clothes. That's the TV and the chest that is naked on this side, dude. I need to put some stickers on it. It looks stupid. Also, you can't see it. Thank God, because it looks dumb. Okay? Believe you me. Believe you me, you don't even want to see it, because it looks dumb. My kneecaps. God damn it, this is a disaster. Don't even worry about it. As soon as I work out the kinks to this, that guy's not even gonna be worried about it. Alright. If I just get a little bit of leeway, I think it'll, you know? Will Donkey Kong Country have this on the Sega Genesis? I don't work at Nintendo, man. I don't know. Why is this all wrapped up? Okay. Golly. Can I steal your kneecaps and mail them back to you? I mean, I guess I can't stop you from doing that. Unless I could. Of course I could, I mean. Don't do that, and no. Alright. We got some stuff, and it's working, and we got some stuff, and we're going. Goodbye! Goodbye, YouTube, goodbye! You come on through here, you'll probably step in a puddle, because my cat is a menace. Can you hear me, Mr. Krabs? Probably not. It is echoing. That's where Loomis spills the water bowl. Like his life depends on it, it doesn't. This is the bathroom. Augers. There's me. This is going so well. That's Steven's room. If you come down yonder by the Chattahoochee, it gets harder than that. Got the mic, got the big scissors. Ever so large and keeping our home safe. Uh-oh. And then, any videos over there? there's no video coming through, so chill. That's chill. As long as there's none of both, you know, I'm not sure the 50-foot HDMI thing's gonna work out. Too bad I'm already at your front door. Shit! What do you mean? Only 2 people? I feel like 2's a crowd. I might leave. Alright, let's get back to normal HDMI length. This was nothing more than a cheap thrill. It meant nothing. Get out of my house, sir. And how are you guys doing? Normal stuff today? Or what? Just watching me be normal. Hey Lonnie, long time no see. What up, Jacob? How goes, Doc? Did you graduate college 6 times over yet? You're probably 10 inches taller since I've seen ya. Speaking of taller than I've seen ya. I see you. You want this enough? You gotta eat him. Who missed the cat, everybody? He's in charge now. The captain says it's over. He says we gotta go. For watching this as a YouTube video later, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, helps me out a lot, I always appreciate it. See you in the next one. Peace out, boys, have a good night.